In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set VLC Media Player as the default video player on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you're tired of Windows opening videos in the default Movies and TV app, or you just prefer VLC because it supports almost every video format, this step-by-step guide is for you. This works for common formats like MP4, MKV, AVI, and many more. We'll go through everything slowly so anyone can follow along, even if you're not very tech-savvy. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows and software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure VLC Media Player is already installed on your computer. If it's not installed yet, you can download it for free from videoland.org and install it before continuing. Once VLC is installed, we can move on to setting it as the default player. To begin, open the Windows settings. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and the I key together on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and then click on the gear icon to open Settings. When the Settings window opens, look for the option called Apps and click on it. This section controls installed apps, default programs, and app-related settings in Windows 10. Inside the Apps menu, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Default Apps. This is where Windows lets you choose which programs open files like videos, music, photos, and web links by default. Now scroll down a little until you see an option that says Choose Default Apps by file type. Click on that. This will show you a long list of file extensions on the left side, such as .mp4, .mkv, .avi, and other ones, with the currently assigned default app on the right side. Next, scroll through the list and look for common video formats. Some of the most popular ones are .mp4, .mkv, .avi, .mov, and .wmb. For each video file type, you'll see an app icon next to it. This is the program Windows currently uses to open that file type. Click on the app icon next to one of the video formats, for example .mp4. A list of available apps will pop up. From this list, click on VLC Media Player. Once you do that, VLC will immediately be set as the default app for that file type. Repeat this same process for other video formats you use regularly, such as .mkv and .avi, to make sure VLC opens all of your videos by default. It only takes a few seconds per file type, and once it's done, you won't have to worry about it again. After you finish setting VLC for your preferred video formats, you can close the settings window. From now on, whenever you double-click a video file on your PC or laptop, it should automatically open in VLC Media Player. And that's it. You've successfully set VLC Media Player as the default video player on your Windows 10 computer. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more simple Windows tips, fixes, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.